Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can mirror camera on Messenger video call. But before that, please do make sure you like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, what we have to do is we simply have to access our Messenger app on our phone. And when we go, we're simply going to tap on our user and we're going to tap on this video call icon on top, and you're simply going to tap on this icon and start our video call, right? So even if we go through that, we won't be able to access the particular mirror camera option. So if that's not happening, the one thing that we can do is we can go to our settings. So from this section, scroll down, tap on general, and now tap on this iPhone storage option and scroll and find your Messenger app, and go ahead, tap on this offload app and simply offload your app. And if it's possible for you, make sure to delete app as well and simply reinstall the app and start by adding your information correctly, and then you can start a video call. You're most likely to find the mirror camera option right afterwards. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.